Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio settings within the Resident Evil 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Resident Evil 2 game on your device. And once it is fully loaded, you will gain access to the main menu. From here, in order to change your audio settings, go ahead and click on Options. Now from the Options page, click on Audio and you will now see various different options that you can change within audio. You can simply click the sliders to the left in order to decrease the volumes and swipe them to the right in order to increase it. You can do this for the voice, the background music, as well as sound effects within the game. You may also redefine your dynamic range, and you can choose your output device if you have multiple output devices connected on your PC. You can also enable or disable the 3D audio effects, and you can use the music and sound effects version from the original or the remake version. After choosing all of your desired audio settings, you can go back to the main menu and start your story or your ongoing game, and your audio options will be applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio settings within the Resident Evil 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.